Payroll management can be a daunting task for any business owner, especially for beginners. It involves not just paying your employees, but also accurately calculating taxes, deductions, and ensuring compliance with various regulations. The good news is that technology has made this process much more manageable, and one popular solution that often comes up in discussions is Wave. So, is Wave good for payroll? For many small businesses, freelancers, and startups, the answer leans towards yes, with some important considerations. Let's break down how payroll typically works with Wave, making it easier for a beginner to grasp. At its core, Wave Payroll is a cloud-based software designed to simplify the process of paying your team. Here's a simplified walkthrough of what you'd typically do. Setting up your company and employees. You'll start by entering your business's basic information, including tax IDs. This helps Wave determine the relevant tax rules for your location. Next, you'll add your employees, whether they are salaried staff, hourly workers, or even independent contractors. For each person, you'll input their pay rate, tax details, like W-4 information in the US, and any deductions, like health insurance premiums or retirement contributions. If you've paid employees outside of Wave already this year, you'll need to enter that payroll history. This ensures that all year-to-date figures for taxes and wages are accurate for tax forms. Choosing your pay schedule. Wave lets you set how often you pay your employees. Weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. This frequency dictates when payroll runs will be processed. Connecting your bank account. To enable direct deposit, which is highly recommended for convenience, you'll link your business bank account to Wave. This is where the funds for payroll will come from. Running payroll. When it's time to pay, you'll log into Wave. For hourly employees, you'll typically enter their hours worked. For salaried employees, their regular pay is usually pre-filled. Wave then automatically calculates all the gross wages, deductions, and most importantly, the federal and state payroll taxes. This is a huge benefit, as manual tax calculations can be complex and prone to errors. You'll review the payroll summary to ensure everything looks correct. Paying employees and taxes. Once approved, Wave can initiate direct deposits to your employees' bank accounts. This eliminates the need for physical checks. In tax service states, primarily in the US, Wave also automates the payment and filing of your payroll taxes directly to the relevant tax authorities, IRS, and state agencies. This is a significant time saver and helps ensure you meet deadlines and avoid penalties. In other areas, Wave provides the necessary forms and calculations for you to file manually. Reporting and year-end forms. Wave generates various payroll reports, giving you insights into your labor costs and tax liabilities. At year-end, Wave assists with creating important tax forms like W-2s for employees and 1099 NECs for contractors, making tax season less of a headache. Why Wave is often considered good for payroll, especially for beginners. Integration with free accounting. One of Wave's biggest draws is its seamless integration with its free accounting software. This means your payroll data automatically flows into your general ledger, simplifying bookkeeping and providing a holistic view of your finances without manual data entry between systems. Automated tax calculations and filing. This is a huge relief for small business owners. Wave takes a lot of the guesswork and fear out of payroll taxes, helping to ensure compliance. User-friendly interface. Wave is generally designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those new to payroll software. Affordability. While the core accounting features are free, Wave Payroll is a paid add-on, but it's often more affordable than many other dedicated payroll solutions, especially for businesses with fewer employees. Direct deposit. a modern convenience that employees appreciate and simplifies payment distribution. Employee self-service. Employees can access their pay stubs and tax forms securely online, reducing administrative requests. Considerations. Things to keep in mind. Geographic limitations. Wave Payroll is primarily available in the US and Canada. If your business is located elsewhere, it may not be an option. Limited advanced features. While good for basic payroll, larger businesses or those with complex payroll needs, e.g., intricate benefits administration, time tracking integration beyond simple entry, might find Wave's features somewhat basic compared to more robust, and often more expensive, payroll-specific platforms. Customer support. While Wave offers support, some users have noted that it's primarily chat and email-based, with limited phone support. Before committing to any payroll software, including Wave, take advantage of any free trials or demos they offer. This allows you to navigate the interface, try a dummy payroll run, and see if the features and workflow align with your specific business needs and comfort level. Also, confirm that the software fully supports the payroll tax requirements for your specific state or province.